Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to fix this issue if you have no waveform in audio track on your Adobe Premiere Pro. I don't know why it is happening, but we can easily fix it. Both the audio track have the data, but still it is not showing up. Even if I restart my Adobe Premiere Pro, it is not showing. So we can easily fix that. What you need to do is you need to right click on the audio track where the audio waveform is not showing. Just right click. Okay, first we need to unlink. Okay, so here's the options. So it's a link or unlinked sections, or you can just right click and unlink it. Okay, so it's unlinked. Now select the audio track and right click, go to render and replace. Here also you can see on this same video file, I have the audio track. Given here, I have the audio track. Wow, super, it's showing now. And the same way for other audio track, I'm going to make it. Right click and go to this render and replace. Super cool. Data is found. And this time I'm going to do it for all the audio tracks because this audio track also have data, but it's not showing up. So I need to choose this render and replace. Super cool, but it is changed to green. If you want to change the color, you can just change it. Go to label. You can choose whatever you want, iris or something. So that's it, friends. This is the way you can bring back the audio waveform data in your Adobe Premiere Pro. So that's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback from video forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.